Hi, I'm Rishi.
And I'm Akshay.
Welcome to Emergency English. This is a show where we teach you English.
Today we are going to teach you guys about flags and countries.
Let's get right into it.
It's time for
Emergency English! To start with, let's define what exactly a country is. A country, país, is any region that is bound by a specific set of federal laws and government. Flags are used by countries as symbols to represent them and be a symbol of pride for the citizens of a nation.
Every country has a flag, so you can learn the name of countries by associating the Spanish name for the country with the flag and then learning the English name of the country through the flag. Here are some flags and the English names for the respective countries that the flag belongs to.
The United States of America, Los Estados Unidos. Spain, España. The United Kingdom, El Reino Unido. France, Francia. Canada, Canada.
India, India. Japan, Japan. Russia, Russia. Mexico, Mexico.
Germany, Alemania. Italy, Italia. Brazil, Brasil. South Korea, Korea del Sur. Australia is still Australia.
Indonesia, Indonesia. Netherlands, Países Bajos. Turkey, Turquía. Taiwan, Taiwan. Switzerland, Suiza. Poland, Polonia. Israel, Israel. Thailand, Thailandia. Ireland, Irlanda. Portugal, Portugal.
And that concludes this video on flags and countries. In our next video, we'll be talking about interpreting pictures. So if you need any help with that, then come by and watch it.
Thank you for watching Emergency English, and we will see you next time.